Welcome to the channel, friends. So today's video is going to be covering the Google Nest Learning Thermostat. This is the 4th generation, and this is the beautiful black obsidian polished black color. And we're going to be covering what to do if you have a completely blank screen or black screen and it does not power up, and what it could be to solve that problem. But I also have other videos covering all sorts of different topics when it comes to manual override, factory reset, 7-day schedule programming and fan schedule, how to disconnect and connect from the Google Home app, as well as eco mode and safety temps and what they do, and lock and unlock, as well as the install and setup and the menu options available in this device. Like I said, I'll place the playlist down below the video. Please check out those other videos covering this thermostat right here. But let's get into the actual situation where this would be a blank screen and there's no power to it and nothing you can do by waking it up activates the screen or powers the device at all. Well, the fix for this is actually really simple. This has an internal battery, okay, that has to be recharged. There's a port in the back side of this device that allows you to recharge it with a USB cable. So you need something like this. You want a plug-in to the wall style adapter with a USB-C cable, and there's a port on the back side of the thermostat. You have to recharge the internal battery. Now you want to have something that's substantial. You want to have a power adapter that plugs into the wall with, I would say, 0.3 amps of power, half an amp of power to charge this up. You do not want to use a rechargeable kind of like plug-in device or like one of those like portable chargers. Do not use that. Plug this into the wall and use a wall charger to charge up this device, and it will charge the device really quickly. So I'm going to disconnect this really quick and show you exactly what the back side of this looks like and where to plug it in. So here we have the back side of the thermostat. This is the 4th generation, like I said, and the 4th generation has the USB-C. So you would go ahead and plug that in there. Go ahead and plug it into the wall, and then you would let this charge up for a few hours. I would give it a day, and then it would be good to go, okay? That is the common problem with these Google devices, is that you need that charger, okay? You need to charge these up periodically because, yes, your base plate will have a C wire which provides power to the device, but if the internal battery does not function anymore, it could cause problems for the thermostat, and it may not light up the screen and give you some really erratic function or behavior. But you have to recharge the internal battery on this device, and that's how you take care of the blank screen situation. There's no, like I said, there's no activity. It's hard to use the thermostat because it doesn't turn on. It looks like it's just dead. Well, that's how you fix the blank screen. Just charge it up. It's as simple as that. So, like I said, please take a look at my other videos. I have all sorts of different videos covering different topics. When it comes to this thermostat right here, like I said, I have manual override, factory reset, 7-day schedule programming and fan schedules, how to disconnect and connect to the Google Home app, as well as eco mode and safety temps, the lock and unlock function, as well as install and setup menu and what that entails. But that's going to be it for the video, guys. If you have this problem, it's not a big deal. Just go ahead and charge up your device on the back side like I just showed you and give it a few hours to charge up, and you'd be good to go, and you can continue using the device. But I want to thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.